Hi guys, I'm gonna do a little outfit check and also a little get ready with me. So, I don't really know. Athena! Bro, my dog's not allowed up here. Athena! You have to get down. Come on. You go down. Get down right now. No, Athena! Athena! Okay, I was not expecting that. I had this little bag. Don't remember. I made this from Amazon. Don't remember. My friend's house. Don't remember. My friend's house, I think. If you're asking how did I get everything from my friend's house, well, that's a good question. Because when they run out of clothes, because they're obviously older than me, they give it to me when it gets too big for them or too little. I meant. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 because part 2.